You tried a little blue pill and it did not work. Now you are thinking, what the heck do I do next? Today I am tell you exactly how to make those meds like Viagra or Cialis actually work every single time. First, let's talk about what's really happening down there. When you are turned on, your body releases nitric oxide. That's what kick off the blood flow to your penis. But if you have got ED, there's an enzyme that crashes the party too early, shutting down the blood flow before the jobs even started. That's where Viagra and Cialis step in. They block the enzyme so blood keeps pumping and you stay hard. But here's the thing, half of guys who try it once say it did not work. Then they give up. Don't, big mistake. Studies show the first time only 50% of men get results. By the eighth time, 86% succeed. Why? Because the first few times you are nervous, anxious, maybe ate too much or took it at the wrong time. Stress kills erection period, so don't quit after round 1. Most guys are started one of low dose 50 mg, but the max is 100 mg. And in the one study, more than half of men who said it did not work actually succeeded once their dose was raised and they were told how to use it properly. Here's how to take it the right way. You cannot just pop it and accept magic. You still need to be turned on. See something, feel something, get in mood, then take it 30 to 60 minutes before sex, not 5 minutes before. That's how long it takes to kick in. And don't waste it with a greasy burger. A high fat meal slows it down and can make it useless. Also skip the heavy drinking. Whiskey might make you feel smooth, but your body down there, he is not cooperating. Now let's talk health. ED is not just about sex, it's about blood flow, high blood pressure, diabetes, cholesterol, all of that can mess with your performance. When guys fix their overall health, their success rate with Viagra shoots up to over 80%. So check your meds too. Some blood pressure pills kill erections, but there are alternatives your doctor can switch you to. And if your testosterone is low, that can be fixed too. Last one, talk to your doctor, but only 45% of doctors even ask about ED, so you have gotta speak up. Sometimes it's as simple as changing your dose or trying Cialis instead of Viagra. Bottom line, don't give up after one try. Try it at least 8 times. Learn how to use it right and take care of your health because your body and your confidence are worth it. Thanks for watching.